Introducing the Enforcer Hasp from Transport Security. A permanent, heavy-duty security upgrade for reefers and dry vans. Built to protect both active and passive doors for the entire lifespan of the trailer. Standard trailer latches leave fleets exposed. They can be cut, bent, or even removed by thieves. The Enforcer Hasp is the solution. Engineered from heavy-gauge stainless steel with double-thick welded tabs, it delivers maximum security and long-term corrosion resistance. Designed for the demanding transportation environment, the Hasp has a proven 40-year track record. It's the ideal choice for fleets standardizing security, whether retrofitting existing trailers or specifying new builds. The Enforcer Hasp is trusted and installed by major trailer manufacturers. Each unit is bolted directly to trailer doors, with optional steel backing plates and bolt covers that also protect interior cargo. We offer two Hasp designs, installed either under or over the trailer lock rods, depending on the model. The 8014 design goes a step further, covering the padlock shackle for additional protection against cutting or prying tools. For best-in-class security, pair the Hasp with a heavy-duty Enforcer ABLOY padlock. ABLOY padlocks are built with disc technology specifically for the supply chain. They're made from high-quality materials featuring stainless steel ball bearings, a hardened steel body, and a case-hardened boron steel shackle. Competitor locks use springs and pins that freeze and jam. ABLOY padlocks offer up to 21,000 pounds of pull resistance. Engineered for rugged trucking conditions, sleet, ice, road grime, these locks stay operable in any weather. They don't freeze, they don't fail. Results speak for themselves. One of the nation's largest carriers, after upgrading to Enforcer Hasps and ABLOY padlocks, reduced theft by 89%, saving tens of millions of dollars annually. Stop cargo theft with the Enforcer Hasp from Transport Security.